Welcome to the Bonsai Barn, where we make bonsai simple and fun. If you're new to bonsai and unsure how to choose your first tree, this video is for you. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss any beginner-friendly bonsai tips. Starting your bonsai journey, how to choose the right tree. Bonsai is a beautiful way to connect with nature, but choosing your first tree can be overwhelming. Here's how to make the decision easier. First, think about where your bonsai will live. Does your spot get a lot of sunlight, or is it more shaded? Different species thrive in different light conditions, so pick a tree that matches your environment. Next, consider how much time you can dedicate to bonsai care. Watering, pruning, and occasional repotting are part of the process, but some trees are lower maintenance than others. Your local climate matters too. Some trees handle extreme heat, cold, or humidity better than others, so choose one suited to your weather. Lastly, go with what speaks to you. Whether you love dramatic trunks or delicate leaves, your bonsai should reflect your style. Beginner-friendly bonsai trees. Here are a few beginner-friendly options to consider. Chinese elm, a forgiving, fast-growing tree that's easy to shape. Just watch out for pests if it's neglected. Japanese black pine, classic and hardy, though it might take practice to master its pruning techniques. Japanese maple, stunning with colorful leaves but needs gentle sunlight and protection from strong winds. Ficus, perfect for indoors, adaptable, and easy to care for, though sensitive to sudden temperature changes. Chinese privet, a hardy option that tolerates cold well but requires regular pruning to keep its shape. Tips for success: start small. A smaller bonsai is easier to care for and less overwhelming as you learn. Find support. Join a bonsai club or connect with other enthusiasts online for advice and inspiration. Be patient. Bonsai is about the process, not the end result. Don't stress over perfection. It's a journey. Most importantly, enjoy it. Bonsai is a rewarding art form that lets you watch your tree grow and evolve over time. Starting your bonsai journey is exciting, and I hope this guide helps you feel confident choosing your first tree. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which bonsai you're thinking about starting with. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly bonsai tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.